Hi, I'm Cameron from All 4x4 Spares. Today we have a dual cab 79 Series Landcruiser in for a Lovells GVM upgrade. As it comes from Toyota, this particular vehicle has a GVM of 3,300 kilos. Once it leaves here, we're going to be bumping that up by 600 kilos and giving it a new GVM of 3,900 kilos. This Lovells GVM Upgrade Kit consists of Lovells heavy duty coils and leaf springs. They're backed by a 5-year unlimited kilometre warranty. It's also got the Lovells gas legend shock absorbers, which are backed by a 3-year 70,000 kilometre warranty. The GVM Upgrade Kit also comes with all the things we're going to need to do the job. So that includes bushers, U-bolts, greasable pins, greasable shackles, caster correction bushers, a handbrake lever extension bracket, and for vehicles fitted without ABS, it will come with a load proportioning valve spacer. Once the GVM Upgrade Kit has been installed, we'll then do a wheel alignment, throw it on the weigh bridge, road test the vehicle, and give our engineer everything he needs to sign the vehicle off. This means your vehicle will be covered by insurance and the vehicle can be driven anywhere in Australia with no problems. In short, the GVM Upgrade Kit has everything we need to raise the vehicle safely, along with increasing the GVM safely, and this entire process can be done in our 4-wheel drive specialist workshop. Okay, so here's the finished product. We've finished the Lovells GVM Upgrade. This 79 series now has a GVM of 3,900 kilos. So just again, that's 600 kilos over the factory rating. So that means that this customer is going to be able to load up to go away on holidays, load up to go on site. He can do it all because he's got an extra 600 kilos to play with. If you have any questions about the Lovells GVM upgrade for your vehicle, feel free to get in contact with our team here at All 4x4 Spares and we'll walk you through the process. Thanks for watching.